Hey everyone! DocuSign eSignature remains the world's most trusted way to sign documents legally and securely. Whether you're on a laptop or your phone, the process is designed to be a digital handshake that takes less than a minute. Step 1. Access the document. We start with the notification. You don't need to create a DocuSign account to sign a document that has been sent to you. You just need access to your inbox. Open the email from the sender and click the large Review Document button. A browser window will open. Check the box that says, "I agree to use electronic records and signatures," and click Continue. This is the legal requirement that allows your digital mark to be as binding as ink. Step 2. Locate and fill fields. Now we move to navigation. DocuSign uses tags to guide you exactly where you need to provide information so you don't miss a single line. Click the Start tag on the left. This will jump you directly to the first required field. Fill in any text boxes such as your title, the date, or your address. In 2026, new AI-assisted signing features may even offer plain English summaries of key terms if they're unsure what a section means. Step 3. Adopt your signature. We are focusing on identity creation. This is where you choose how your mark will look on the final legal document. Click the Sign tag. A window will pop up asking you to adopt your signature. You have three main choices. Pick a pre-designed font that looks like handwriting, use your mouse, trackpad, or finger, if on mobile, to draw your actual signature, or upload a high-contrast photo of your physical signature on white paper. Once your name and initials look correct, click Adopt and Sign. Step 4. Finish and save. We are finishing with the execution. This step seals the document and notifies the sender that the deal is done. Once all tags are filled, click the Finish button at either the top or bottom of the page. A message will appear saying you've finished signing. You will be given the option to download a PDF copy for your records immediately. The sender is also automatically notified and sent a copy of the completed agreement. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.